Welcome back to Payworks, and today we'll be doing a video on how to download your EMP201 report for your SARS declaration. Now, once you've created your employee and you've finalized your payslip, say for example for May, and it's been sent to the employee via their email address that's linked to their profile, you'll go down to Reports. This is where the payslip reports are. You'll select the specific month that you would like to declare the EMP201. There's also a report you can download to indicate to you the total gross salaries and net salaries for that specific month, to give you a breakdown of the cost for that specific month for the salaries and wages. Now, once you've selected the month, you can click on Download EMP201. The system will then generate an EMP201 statement for you with your company details and the month relating to the submission date. This is where you'll find your pay-as-you-earn that needs to be declared. This company is not STL registered, and then the UIF that needs to be inputted on your SARS return. Once this has been finalized and submitted to SARS and you've made payment, the salaries and wages have been finalized for that month. When you try to do a download for the statement for a month that has not been finalized, the system will notify you that the payslip is not finalized. So you won't be able to submit where the payslips have not been finalized. Just something to note. Thank you very much.